In 2026, the ultimate status symbol in private aviation is no longer the size of your cabin, it is the strength of your balance sheet. 7 of the world's most sophisticated flight departments have recently executed a quiet, strategic retreat. They aren't leaving the skies, they are moving their capital out of depreciating heavy iron and into a new class of high-liquidity assets. This is the smart swap. While mid-size jets are currently facing a double-digit depreciation cliff, these 7 specific aircraft are holding 98% of their equity. From Silicon Valley founders to European industrialist families, the move is unanimous. Protect the capital, optimize the mission, and dominate the resale market. Today, we are performing a deep dive asset audit into the 7 sophisticated aircraft that have become the new gold standard for the global elite. This isn't just about flying, it's about the smartest ways to own the sky. Let's begin the audit.
We begin our audit with the aircraft that redefined the light jet category, the Pilatus PC-24. While typical elites are tethered to 2-mile concrete runways, the sophisticated owner, much like the executive leadership at U-Haul International, prioritizes the super versatile jet category. This airframe is currently the only business jet engineered to master unpaved gravel and grass airfields with absolute precision. At a capital entry point between $10,700,000 and $12 million, you are acquiring sheer technical dominance. The PC-24 delivers a range of 2,000 nautical miles and a cruise speed of 440 knots. This reach allows for a mission profile that bypasses traditional airport congestion, effectively reclaiming the most valuable asset in any portfolio: time. The mechanical integrity is anchored by twin Williams International FJ44-4A turbofans. These engines offer a 5,000-hour time between overhaul, providing a level of fiscal predictability that protects the owner from volatile maintenance spikes. The inclusion of a massive standard cargo door further elevates its utility, transforming it from a passenger transport into a high-capacity logistics tool. The smart verdict. This is a premier high-appreciation asset because it occupies a market monopoly. There is no direct competitor for a jet with off-road capabilities. In the world of aviation assets, rarity combined with extreme utility creates a fortress for your capital.
We move now to the disruptor of the very light jet category, the HondaJet Elite 2. While some see aviation as a hobby, figures like Tom Cruise have long championed the technical precision required to truly master the skies. The Elite 2 is the result of that same relentless pursuit of perfection, featuring a unique over-the-wing engine mount that creates a cabin 20% larger than anything else in its class. Acquiring this asset requires a capital commitment of approximately $7 million. In exchange, you gain a maximum cruise speed of 422 knots and a significantly expanded range of 1,547 nautical miles. This is the first twin-turbine light jet to be certified with Emergency Autoland, a feature that provides the sophisticated owner-pilot with an unparalleled safety hedge. The performance is driven by twin GE Honda HF120 engines, delivering 2,050 pounds of thrust each. These powerplants feature a 5,000-hour time between overhaul, ensuring that your operating costs remain predictable over years of ownership. By isolating the engines from the fuselage, Honda has achieved a cabin decibel level that rivals mid-size jets costing twice as much. The smart verdict. The Elite 2 is a high appreciation asset because it solves the small cabin problem of the light jet world. For the elite who refuses to compromise on space or fuel efficiency, this aircraft represents the ultimate sophisticated arbitrage between luxury and logic.
We move now to the undisputed sovereign of the light jet market, the Embraer Phenom 300E. In the high-stakes world of aviation capital, liquidity is the ultimate metric of success. This is exactly why sophisticated operators, including the fractional Titan NetJets, have made the 300E the backbone of their elite flight departments. To secure a position in a new or pre-owned 300E, The market currently demands a capital commitment between $11 million and $13 million. This investment grants you a high-speed cruise of 464 knots and a transcontinental range of 2,010 nautical miles. For the elite owner, this performance translates to a single-stop mission from London to Dubai or New York to Los Angeles. The mechanical heart of this asset is a pair of Pratt & Whitney Canada PW535E1 engines, each producing 3,478 pounds of thrust. With a 5,000-hour time between overhaul, the 300E offers the lowest operating costs in its class, ensuring that your equity isn't being consumed by excessive fuel burn or unpredictable shop visits. The smart verdict. The 300E is the world's best-selling light jet because it is the most liquid aviation asset ever built. In a volatile economy, owning the jet that everyone wants is the ultimate sophisticated hedge against depreciation.
We transition now to the world's fastest single-engine turboprop, the Daher TBM 960. This airframe represents the ultimate sophisticated arbitrage, offering the velocity of a light jet with the efficient operating profile of a propeller-driven asset. High-net-worth investors like Kevin Kasif, president of Titan Real Estate Investment Group, have recently pivoted to the TBM for its unmatched ability to access shorter regional runways. Acquiring a new 960 requires a capital investment of approximately $4,800,000. This expenditure secures a maximum cruise speed of 330 knots and a range of 1,730 nautical miles. The digital heart is the Garmin G3000 flight deck with eco-pilot and home-safe autoland, ensuring the highest standards of safety for the owner-pilot. The mechanical soul of this asset is the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6E66XT engine. This power plant delivers a thermodynamic rating of 1,844 horsepower. Most importantly, it features a 5,000-hour time between overhaul. This 43% increase over previous generations drastically reduces long-term maintenance liability, protecting your capital. The smart verdict. The TBM 960 is a high appreciation asset because it eliminates the jet tax. By delivering jet-like arrival times at a fraction of the fuel burn, it creates a unique market position where demand consistently outstrips supply, keeping resale values at elite levels.
Our audit continues with the definitive safety hedge of the turboprop market, the Piper M600 SLS. In an era where sophisticated aviators like Tom Cruise emphasize the importance of technical mastery, the M600 takes a different path by mastering the unexpected. This airframe was the first in the world to be certified with the Garmin Autoland system, a feature designed to protect the most valuable assets on board, the family. Entering the market for a new M600 SLS requires a capital commitment of approximately $3,500,000. This investment secures a maximum cruise speed of 274 knots and an impressive range of 1,658 nautical miles. While the speed is competitive, the true smart logic is the HALO safety system, which can autonomously land the aircraft if the pilot becomes incapacitated. The mechanical core of this asset is the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A-42A engine, delivering 600 shaft horsepower. Known as one of the most reliable power plants in history, it offers a 3,600-hour time between overhaul. This longevity, paired with a 5-year factory warranty, provides a level of fiscal stability that is virtually unmatched in the single-engine turbine category. The smart verdict. The M600 SLS is a high appreciation asset because it is the insurance policy of aviation. For the sophisticated owner-pilot, the peace of mind provided by the Autoland system translates into a stable resale market where demand for safety consistently drives premium pricing.
We move now to the aircraft that revolutionized the concept of the personal jet, the Cirrus Vision Jet G2+. While standard aviation relies on a crew of 2, the sophisticated owner-pilot looks for a solo mission profile. Real estate entrepreneur David Tupin utilized the Cirrus ecosystem to scale his business, proving that a single-engine jet is the ultimate multiplier for the elite who manage their own flight operations. Acquiring a pristine G2+ requires a capital entry point of approximately $3,300,000. For this investment,
you are securing a cruise speed of 311 knots and a range of 1,275 nautical miles. The G2 Plus designation is vital as it optimizes engine thrust for improved takeoff performance, allowing the elite owner to access shorter runways on high-temperature days with absolute confidence. The technical soul of this asset is the Williams International FJ335A turbofan, producing 1,846 pounds of thrust. This FADC-controlled engine is designed for simplicity and reliability, allowing the pilot to focus on the mission while the systems manage the power. With the CAPS airframe parachute and safe return autoland, the VisionJet offers a safety envelope that is unmatched in the light jet category. The smart verdict. The VisionJet is a high appreciation asset because it has no true peer. It is the only single-engine jet that offers a seamless transition for piston pilots. In a market hungry for personal jets, the G2 Plus remains a high-liquidity fortress for your capital.
We conclude our audit with the hidden multiplier of regional aviation, the Diamond DA62. While some elites chase the roar of a turbine, sophisticated owners like Friedrich Merz have recognized a different kind of power. Merz famously utilized the DA62 for high-profile European travel, proving that this twin-engine asset consumes less fuel than most executive limousines while maintaining a high-status ramp presence. Acquiring a pre-owned or new DA62 requires a capital commitment between $1,500,000 and $2 million. This expenditure secures a cruise speed of 192 knots and a maximum range of 1,283 nautical miles. Running on globally available Jet A fuel, it provides the elite owner with twin-engine security and a 7-seat capacity without the multi-thousand-dollar hourly operating costs of a jet. The technical integrity is fueled by twin Austro-engine AE330 turbocharged diesels. These power plants feature a 1,800-hour time between overhaul and are managed by a single-lever digital engine control system. This simplicity, paired with a carbon fiber airframe, ensures that the DA62 remains one of the most technologically advanced and physically durable assets in the piston category. The smart verdict. The DA62 is a premier high appreciation asset because it represents the ultimate middle path. It offers the prestige of a twin-engine aircraft with the fiscal footprint of a flight school trainer. In an economy that values efficiency, this aircraft is a sophisticated fortress for your capital. This completes our $70 million asset audit.
The Smart Swap is more than a trend. It is a fundamental shift in how the global elite preserve their wealth while conquering the skies. If you are ready to move beyond the vanity of the jet and into the logic of the asset, you are in the right place. Subscribe to join our circle of sophisticated aviators as we continue to audit the world's most elite machines. Which of these 7 swaps would you execute first? Let us know in the comments below.